discussion on HTML5, and today we're going to talk about HTML5 and why it is important. So before we're gonna proceed to the next, so I'm gonna show you first the blank document. So this is the sample blank document of HTML. So let's go to the second. HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext, contains HTML for the structure, CSS for the presentation, and JavaScript which make things happen. So I'm gonna show you another sample of this, which is it has features, navigation, HTML article, there's a related links and forms, and then this is forms, yes, forms. So next slide. HTML5 has been designed to deliver almost everything you want to do online without requiring additional such as software plugins. It does everything: animation apps, music to movies, and can also build incredibly complicated applications that can run your browser. So much more. So my sample for this one is my vlog. So this is my vlog. It has everything as CSS and also HTML, and there's no Java in this, so I have no code for that because that is my old project. So next slide is this is a basic HTML document. There's a HTML head, and then body, and then there's a new semantic elements introduced such as header, navigation for menu bars, main section, footer. So I'm gonna show you the sample of this will be this one, section, and then next slide. That is a basic HTML document. As you can see, starts with doc type, and there's a body, contains visible content, and then there's a header, navigation, main section, and footer. So that's it for our introduction to HTML5. Stay tuned for our next video, and then we'll see you in the next video.